Hello everybody, welcome back to Study with Cree. This video is for educational purposes only. Always verify information and use this as a supplement to your own study and supervision. Today, we're going to dive into career development, one of the most practical and test-heavy areas on the CPCE and the NCE. You'll learn how career theories explain decision-making, motivation, and life transitions. This area explores how people choose and grow in their careers. You'll need to know the major theories, models, and assessment tools, plus how culture, gender, and life stages influence career choices. Donald Super viewed career as a reflection of the self over time. His theory emphasizes life stages such as growth, exploration, establishment, maintenance, and decline, as well as life roles. Super believed that satisfaction comes when your work aligns with your self-concept. John Holland proposed that people seek careers that fit their personality type. His RIASEC model, such as RIASEC, or also known as RIASEC, sorry about that. They stand for realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. It's one of the most tested frameworks on the exam. The better the fit, the higher the satisfaction. Krumboltz applied behavioral learning theory to career counseling. He believed that career decisions are shaped by learning experiences, environment, and chance events. Counselors can help clients learn new ways of thinking about opportunities. Ginzberg introduced one of the first developmental models. He said career choice evolves over time, from fantasy choices in childhood to realistic decisions in adulthood. This idea paved the way for modern career development theories. Gottfredson's theory focuses on how individuals eliminate career options based on societal expectations. Circumscription means ruling out options that don't seem appropriate. Compromise means adjusting goals to fit reality. This model often appears in cultural or gender-related questions. Social and cognitive career theory combines self-belief and action. It says that confidence, outcome expectations, and goals influence career behaviors. It's useful in multicultural and developmental contexts. You will likely see at least one question about career assessment. The strong interest inventory and the self-directed search are based on Holland's theory. Say it with me. The strong interest inventory and the self-directed search are based on Holland's theory. The MBTI links personality preference with career choices, while values inventories explore what motivates individuals. Cultural and gender factors shape how individuals view success, opportunity, and also balance. A culturally competent career counselor considers systematic barriers like discrimination, income inequality, and access to education. For the CPCE and the NCE, focus on matching theorists to keywords. Super equals self-concept. Holland equals personality environment fit, and Krumboltz equals learning. Also, know the major assessments and recognize when a question has an ethical or cultural dimension. Thank you guys for watching and studying with me. I always appreciate it, and I really hope that this was helpful to some degree for you guys. Join me next week for information on group counseling and group work. If you guys have any suggestions, such as topics that you want to see or you would like to see, comment them down below and I will check them out. And I hope that I hope that you guys have a great day and happy studying. See you next time.